DJT stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Trump media and technology stock sitting at $31.86, like a % up today. This is ultimately how my chart's going to look like. Yeah, it's all over the place, but I'm trying to put some order here. I've done 35,000 videos and I've spent thousands, well over 5 figures on courses and mentors. This is ultimately how my chart's going to look like. So definitely looking to take things up. And as you can probably see, the price is yet to give me at least some breaks. Now, because we're in this very range right now, it must give me breaks up in order for me to start buying. You know, it's really that normal and simple, but unless I see the double break, I literally would not care what everything happens. So just to put it simple, if you break this high and then it gives me a second break, then that's cool and I'm going to take things up. But if it breaks the low, this is going to get diluted, you know. So because we're in the middle, it's going to be a lot of waiting, and I mean, I have no problem with that. I have all these other ticker symbols that I'm going to check in the meantime. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.